I smell bad. Bro, what the heck? What's happening? But it's like dying. Okay. Yo, why is my viewer lagging? If you guys can't see this, I'm actually mad lagging. But it's okay. Update was actually kind of trash. There's no update. Small update. Yeah, I guess I know the short. Anybody a stick? Actually, let's go. No stick challenge. Okay. Stick breaks the video I'm playing. Oh, he had a rail. I knew. I guess because it's more far away. Let's go, gentlemen. Oh. Okay, it breaks while mine is crazy. Oh. Yeah, crafting. This should work. Plan. Bro. I thought these go. Oh, we should. What am I hearing now? Who's actually Who's down in the back? Who's down this side? Not going down there. That was it. Yeah, I'm not dying. But I guess he added new. Actually, never mind. All right, we have to get out of here now. What the heck? Are you? Alright, bro. One of these ropes are here for no reason. Let's see. No go. There's cheese. I got this. Get. I'm playing. Oh, that's new. Also, if you get on Animal Company, it's a heist live event. I don't know, because what the heck? Is there a countdown? He did say that. He's something good. Oh, I know this guy was here. He was here last week. I didn't see it, so maybe he eats you something like that. So I probably will be on. Well, I won't make a video. Maybe I'll make a video, a couple minutes. It'll be a video, okay? It will not be a short. It cannot. So let's say I know 1% are shorter, but like we can't. And plus, we get a live event. That's what the that's the because people were on it. I guess this is like new stuff. I don't know what it is. Oh, you touch it, you get hit. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna die again. For the video. For 2 minutes. Go, hurry. If it's also you guys for I know I prefer short. Again. I'm a bit fast, but I prefer short. And that was it. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for this so great. But I also trades coming. I think it might come August. Second week of August. I'm coming back. Somewhere else. No, actually. Yeah, see you guys. So, yippee! It's not order.